Hello and welcome to my channel, No Chefs here. Today I have another simple yet very delicious idea for you. Let me show you how I make my braised chicken in black bean sauce. I recommend to use for this chicken thighs. Here I have 2 boneless skinless ones. 70 grams green beans, 70 grams carrot. Half a yellow onion, garlic over there. These are fermented black beans. Some water, Sha Xing cooking wine, cornstarch, dark soy sauce, not salty at all, just for color, and some good flavor with this white pepper. Alright, start by preparing this chicken. So for this recipe, it doesn't need to be very small, just cut it into manageable bite-sized pieces, something like this. And this excess fat I'm going to delete. Transfer into a bowl, and we'll clean everything, be right back. So now marinating the chicken. Sha Xing cooking wine, just add 3 measures, and each one of these is like 3/4 of a tablespoon. White pepper, just give it a couple of dashes. And cornstarch. I will start with like 1 tablespoon. And now mix. You want to add enough cornstarch so that at the end there is going to be no liquid on the bottom. Add canola oil just to separate the pieces better. And the carrot. So just gonna delete this end. And now in thin like strips or discs, however you want to call it. And there you go. With these green beans, I just want to pluck away the tails. They are tough to chew. Now, because they're kind of long, I'm just gonna cut in the middle like this. With the onion, go ahead and quickly peel away the outer layer. And I will just cut in natural half-moon shapes. And I want to separate these pieces too, like that. Garlic, pretty normal. Smash it so it's easier to peel and easier to cut. Then remove this dry end and repeat for the rest. Go ahead and chop. Come over from this angle too. And when you are just about 70% done, introduce these black fermented beans into here. Come over and chop away to incorporate the garlic and the beans together. I know it's a lot of garlic, but I love it. So now high heat, wok on the stove, add some water. Doesn't matter the amount at this time. Cooking oil of your choice, just 1 tablespoon. And a pinch of salt. That is the best way to cook vegetables. When the water is boiling, go ahead and add the green beans and carrots. Now wait for the water to start boiling again. And when it does, cover with lid and go for a minute or 2. Finally done. Wow, check out this color. Vegetables are still going to be fresh, but so colorful. Looks great. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fish them out and strain under cold water. Look how gorgeous they are. Back on the stove, high heat again. Cooking oil, about a tablespoon. And the mixture of garlic and black beans going in, just toast them a little bit. So it doesn't take all that much time to infuse this oil and to wake up the flavor of the beans and the garlic. Chicken goes in, and at this time I'm just gonna separate these pieces. And my goal here is just to go ahead and mix to make sure that the garlic and black beans cover in chicken pretty well. And Sha Xing cooking wine, we'll go with a couple of measures. Dark soy sauce, about half tablespoon. Water, about a cup and a half, depends on your preference. And I'm just going to mix everything up. Look at that color, it looks gorgeous already. And when it does become boiling, we want to cover with lid and you check the amount of liquid while you cook. Set timer for about 10 minutes. And this has been just about 10 minutes. Look how gorgeous this looks. Wow. And the sauce is pretty thick, it smells fantastic. Give this sauce a try. Wonderful. Check to see if the chicken is done. It is. Onions. And these vegetables. Give it a nice mix through. This, my friends, is done. Well, there it was. Really easy to make, as you can see, but so delicious. I don't have the taste test portion of the video today because I made it yesterday and I had some dental procedure done. I couldn't eat. But I took it to work with me for lunch today and there are no leftovers. It was that good. The vegetables keep their crunch and freshness. The chicken is absolutely fall apart tender. The black bean sauce is naturally full, wholesome and umami. It envelopes your mouth with such a treat. I hope you enjoyed this video, hope you give this a try. Thank you so much for watching till the end as always. I have other videos, so you can check them out if you have time. And until next time, you know, I wish you nothing but the best.